Okay, hello. I'm here to show my app. The name is CollageHue. So it's basically a photo mosaic app which allows the user to choose a big image, which is the reference image, um, and choose like other images which are gonna basically be the pixels which are gonna be used to make up that bigger image. So you're making an image out of other images, basically. You can see how that works as we go on. So here you can click on the guide. So this just explains how the app works so the user is not lost and they can kind of like go through it more smoothly. So if you click on the house, you can go back to the main screen and then actually start using it. So if you click on start, here it just tells you to click on the image and then choose which image you want to use as the big image, the reference. So here I'm just going to do the star. You can choose anything. And here you can choose to um, the folder that you have. You need to already have a folder, so you need to do like that beforehand, but it's just a folder with like the pictures you want to use for um, that are going to make up that reference picture. So you just can click on the image again, and that's going to prompt you to choose a folder. And then after you do, so here basically the way it works is that for the reference image, it is separated into like chunks, which can also be called tiles. So those chunks are analyzed for their average colors. So once I get those colors, I also analyze all of the pictures in the folder that you gave to the app, and then it looks at also the average of the colors of those pictures, and it kind of finds the best match of that chunk with um, the picture in the folder. So the picture that's closest to that chunk, the color is going to be chosen to be put there. So here, if you do a bigger number, it's just going to make it more precise because you're separating the reference image into more chunks. So I'll do 5,000 and I'll hit OK. So you just got to give it a second to load because it's making the image, and here you go. You can see, um, I can show you the original image. So give me 1 second. Here it is. So this is the original image. So I can click on the arrow to move forward, and here it just gives the user the option to download a list with all of the average colors of the chunks of the reference image. So if they want better results, they can go and try to find pictures to put in a folder and input into the app that are like closer to the average of the chunks. So that's just gonna make it more precise. Here, as you can see, if I go to my downloads, I don't have like anything. Actually, I do have something from a previous one, but I will just delete it so you can see it. So if I save and I go to downloads, I select the folder, you can see that here I have it again, and I can just click on it and I can open it. And here I have all of the RGBs. It's also good to say that when you're getting like prompted to choose a file and a folder, if you did not, it would prompt you again, because if you don't choose something, the app would break, right? So it doesn't let you do that. So you can just click on the arrow now, and here it allows you to modify your image. So here you can click on like resize, and you just go from the bottom right, and then you click here, and you can like resize the image as you want. And then to do the other function, once you have chosen one, you got to run the app again. So I'll just do that very quickly and I'll go through it. So here I can show you the functionality. If you click cancel, it doesn't let you. I'll choose cow this time. And here, just the folder again. And I'll do 5,000 again. Give it a second. And then it should come up. Here you go. Click on the arrow, click on the arrow, and here you can click to crop the image. You just gotta press down, drag, and then it crops it for you. And that's it. That's the functionality of my app. So thank you so much for watching.